Hello and welcome to this week's YouTube video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make your own panels for oil painting. Let's get straight into the video. You will need some wooden panels, rabbit skin glue and some primer. This process is incredibly easy to follow and will give you some lovely smooth panels for oil painting. The panels I am using are Birchwood A4 pre-cut ones which I bought in a pack of 4 off Amazon. You can also get them in A3 size too if you want something a bit larger. I'm using Birchwood instead of MDF because they are much smoother and give you a nicer surface. I give them a light sanding before I size them with the rabbit glue. Why use rabbit skin glue? The glue isn't actually made of rabbits, it's a byproduct from the meat market. There are alternatives though if you're a vegetarian and want to use an animal-free product. Sizing basically means just sealing the wood. This will prevent the oil paint from being absorbed into the panels. Rabbit skin glue will contract once dry, but I'm using a wooden panel so this doesn't matter. If you want to cover your panel in canvas or linen, the rabbit skin glue will give it a nice taut feel to the fabric. I'm applying it straight onto the wooden panels for speed and because I want a smooth surface. I am using dry glue granules and will make up my glue from scratch. It's very easy. You just need 12 parts water and 1 part glue granules. I left this in a jar overnight for the glue to absorb as much of the water as possible. It then looks like this. Place the jar into another container and then fill this one with hot water. Stir the glue and you'll see it dissolves into a yellow watery consistency. It's very thin. Brush the glue over the panel and leave it to dry. It takes about an hour. I then give it a gentle sand and apply another coat of glue. Once that's dry, I'll sand it again. If you have lots of glue left over, it actually keeps okay in the fridge for about 2 weeks. It sets into a kind of jelly solid, just like this one. Just heat it up as before and you're good to go with using it again. The next stage requires priming the panels. I use this primer by Winsor & Newton and paint 2 coats over the top of the glue. I will sand between coats. This gives me a really nice smooth surface to paint on, which can be wiped back to the primer without any paint residue if I want to wipe away sections during my oil painting process. I hope you've enjoyed today's video and found it useful. Please like and subscribe if you can, and check out my website sarahhallidayart.com where you'll find examples of my work and also details of online classes that I run. Thank you for watching and see you for the next one.